In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram story to TikTok story. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at our story. So here it is. Now, in order for us to share this one to our TikTok story, it is important for us to follow these steps. First things first, I want you to go ahead and tap the more option here, and then we're just going to go ahead and click the save video option in there. As you can see, it is now saved to our camera roll, so we're going to head over to our TikTok app. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and tap our profile down here, and we're going to go ahead and tap the plus sign. So there is the Instagram story that we have downloaded. We can just go ahead and click that one over there, and then we're just going to go ahead and tap your story over here. So from this point forward, we're just going to wait for it to be uploaded. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it in order for me to be able to see it. Any of that is how easy it is to share your Instagram story to TikTok story. I hope this video helps you out, everybody.